Hey Nash, what should we make?
I was up late scrolling the TikToks. Zach Choi made these peanut butter noodles that looked really good. You should make that.
All right, let's make peanut butter noodles. Today, we're making peanut butter noodles. This is kind of a recipe that was inspired by Zach from Would You Eat This? He does a lot of cool videos. I'll post the link to his channel down below. I know peanut butter noodles sounds weird, but a lot of people do add peanut butter to their stuff. And if you've ever had Thai food, a lot of Thai food does have some kind of a peanut butter inspired type sauces and stuff. So I don't know if this is a traditional recipe of any sort of culture, but it's kind of, I don't know, it's kind of a generic Asian, peanut butter inspired Asian noodle dish, but it looked really good. I love some of the peanut butter inspired sauces. So I was like, hey, we'll give it a try. But hey, let's go. This recipe is gonna come together super quick. So it's one of these, if you only have 15 minutes or something, you can totally make this work. So first thing we're gonna do is bring a pot of water to a boil and then cook your noodles. I'm using brown rice noodles, and these cook in about 3 to 5 minutes. While our noodles are cooking, with our pan on low heat, we're gonna add some avocado oil. We're gonna add in a few cloves of minced garlic. Let that simmer for about 2 or 3 minutes until it gets a little bit golden brown. And once that's got a little color, add in some grated ginger, but I'm out, so I got this ginger paste in a pinch. I don't recommend it if you have real ginger, but I didn't realize I was out. So then simmer this around for about another minute. And once we have some color here, we kill the heat and we add about 2/3 of a cup of peanut butter. Once your pasta is ready, you want to drain that off, rinse it in cold water. Unless it's ready at the exact same time your sauce is done. Want to go in with about 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon rice wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon toasted sesame oil, a couple tablespoons of sriracha. You can back that off if you don't like it spicy. About 2 tablespoons of honey, or you could use maple syrup. I used a natural unsweetened peanut butter, so if you use the sweetened one, you might not want to use a lot of extra sweetener. Just a little bit of red pepper flakes, and finish it off with some chili garlic sauce. Then we just go ahead and mix this all together. Just have some hot water on hand to use if you need to add any more liquid. Go ahead and give that a taste. Salt level's good, spice level's good. I'm gonna add a little bit more honey. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Then we add our noodles to this mix. Just mix this up. Now we're ready to plate. It may not look the prettiest, but I promise you it's delicious. So now we're just gonna sprinkle the top with some crushed peanuts and some sliced green onions. And there is our beautiful peanut butter noodles that come together in about 15 minutes. Time for a bite. Cheers. It's such a good dish. If you're into like Thai food, those kind of flavorings, you probably had peanut sauce before. I know it might sound weird if you've never had it before, but give it a try. It's so good. I mean, it's spicy, it's salty, it's sweet. It's just kind of got all that flavor plus some umami. And this dish is so simple. It comes together in like literally 15 minutes. So this is perfect for a night where you don't want to, or you don't have the time to cook anything. Hey, 15 minutes, boom, bang, boom, you're done. Such a good dish. Something I'm gonna start cooking more often. Probably add some meat to it, a little protein there. But hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, look what we got. We got these peanut butter noodles that you wanted to try. Oh look, you're drooling. Here you go. What do you think, bud?
Spicy peanut delicious. Zach would be proud.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
If you can't beat them, join them. Which reminds me of that time I joined that coyote pack when you were out of town.
Haha, love that one. Nash approves. I approve. Look, this is a great dish. I highly recommend trying it out. Maybe throwing it into that kind of, maybe have some of the, well, you probably have most of it with you, just, you know, maybe some, and you could use any noodles for this, to be honest. So yeah, in a pinch, just kind of keep this on your back burner for when you got something, you just want to make something in 15 minutes. But hey, thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Appreciate it. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to like, share, and subscribe, it would really help us out. It'd mean a lot. If you want notifications every time we drop a new video, go ahead and hit that notification bell. If there's anything you want me to make, you want me and Nash to taste, as long as it's realistic, we'll make it. Just go ahead and drop that in the comments, or go head over to our website, timschaoskitchen.com, and send us a message there. And just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Till next time, peace.